Hi guys, today I'm so super excited because we have the first body product by La Prairie. It's the Cashmere body cream. And of course I had to buy it because I buy all La Prairie skincare and makeup. This body cream is supposed to be anti-aging, supposed to hydrate you immediately, over time anti-aging because it contains peptides. It's also supposed to plump your skin and change the tone of your skin, which is traditionally very typical for La Prairie and all of their skincare products. So today I will apply it so we see how it looks immediately. And I'm so happy because I've been waiting for a body cream by La Prairie for such a long time. I'm very surprised that it took them such a long time to come up with a body product. Considering that all of the La Prairie skincare, and I'll tell you, this is the first product that I ever bought from La Prairie. I think I was 26 maybe, so about 25 years ago. And over time, this cream, and I think this is very typical for all La Prairie products, it creates this very unique type of skin over time. I can tell from a mile away when someone's using La Prairie skincare or La Prairie makeup, by the way, because over time it changes the tone of your skin. It creates something that I often refer to as the aristocrat skin. You look wealthy. There's no other way of putting it. If you use La Prairie skincare for a while, it kind of unifies the skin tone in a very unique way. It creates this very kind of milky tone of your skin. No other skincare brand on the market can give you the type of skin that La Prairie can. But it's interesting that this is the first body cream that they've ever created. They do have the energizing body spray, but it's technically not a cream. It's not a serum. It's not a body product. It just refreshes your skin. It gives you this very energetic fragrance to the skin. A lot of people technically use that energizing spray more for a body perfume. So this is technically the first body product by La Prairie. And keep in mind that La Prairie has been in business since the 1970s. This body cream contains a biomimetic peptide, so it is a true anti-aging product. It also supposed to change the tone of your skin. It's supposed to give you this unified tone of your skin, supposed to smooth your skin, lines, wrinkles, takes care of imperfections, and etc. It's also supposed to give you an immediate glow and also hydration. And I do have to say that kind of a really good side effect of this cream is also you lose a lot of weight because you kind of have to skip meals quite a few times a week so you can afford this product. Now, I'm actually kidding. I expected that this will be actually way more expensive considering all the other products of La Prairie. So it's not as expensive as I thought it would be. And you also get this barrel, this bucket of cream. It's a giant container. I have to say, it smells absolutely divine. Let me apply it on this side of my body and then we can see the immediate effect. Oh, it smells so good. It's very elegant, sophisticated, kind of lightweight, kind of a hint of something very pretty, very beautiful. I don't know what it is, but it's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna take everything that's on the cap here because I don't want to waste it, and we'll just kind of apply a little bit. Okay, it does sink in immediately. It feels so good. It feels so good. I'm not a smiling person. I usually keep a pretty good poker face because I've tried so many products in my life, but I cannot. I'm jumping on the inside. Like my heart is jumping out of joy right now because this feels so amazing. It's actually slightly cooling, I have to say. And it sinked in immediately. It has a bit of just a very light glow. I don't think it's one of those products that's shiny or shimmery or in your face glowy, because that's not what the premise of La Prairie is. La Prairie is all about elegance and sophistication and class. So they will not go into the extreme of having something very, very in your face glow. That's not elegant. So this is a comparison. I don't have anything on this side. Yes, this side feels immediately softer, just smoother, super hydrated, not greasy. This actually sunk in immediately. I do want to pause right now and I want to go and continue applying it all over my body. This is how good this feels. Cashmere. I mean, it's called Cashmere body cream for a reason. This is as if I've wrapped myself in cashmere and silk, and wow. Yeah, it sunk in immediately. I mean, this is a quality product. I did not expect anything less. I smell good. I smell very, very, very elegant. Subtle, but elegant. Oh, I smell expensive. I smell... Oh, come and smell me. I smell fresh and pretty. Pretty. Oh, so good. So I cannot tell you the long-term effects of this product, but as I said, this is a true anti-aging product, so this is how I'm going to use it. I've tested biomimetic peptides before. I know that they can technically replace retinol for me. I want to get ready for the summer. I want to have firm body because that's what peptides do. They help create more collagen. This will be definitely a firming, hydrating, collagen boosting, anti-aging body cream that also gives me a very subtle hint of elegant scent. It sunk in immediately, did not take any effort. It hydrated my skin, it smoothed my skin. I can apply it on my legs and put on a skirt, and I'm not gonna be sliding around. I'll give you a tip for a complete body routine. Instead of having in the morning a moisturizing body cream and then at night you have to use retinol and another body cream and then a separate exfoliator. This is going to replace everything for me because it's a good hydrating for the morning, but also I can apply it at night because it has peptides, so it's technically an anti-aging product. I don't need to use a separate retinol. This is the only thing, and occasionally you can throw in an exfoliator to exfoliate. I'll be using this glycolic acid exfoliating body spray. I love this product. This is by Cyclar, my new discovery. They make really amazing body washes. This is a glycolic body spray. Occasionally you want to exfoliate all these dead cells so you can have smooth skin. This is a spray, and also it's a 360 spray, so you can actually spray your back like this without the nozzle being clogged, or you know how most of these sprays, if you turn the bottle like this, they don't work. I'm not gonna spray it because it's a very actually abundant spray and it's distributed in a wide angle, so that's why I'm not gonna spray it here. But you can very easily spray your back if you do this. You don't have to do it very often. I would suggest maybe start with once a week. It is concentrated and I love it for that purpose, but it is concentrated, so start maybe once a week, and then after that, if you want, you can upgrade to twice a week, but you don't have to do it more often. And it's glycolic acid, so it's perfect for smoothing of the body. It also has a dry peptide, so this is an anti-aging product on its own, but it's an amazing product. I love this thing. As expected, I have never been disappointed in any La Prairie products before. Once again, I've been using La Prairie since I was 25 or 26. This is my longest used product. This is probably my most repurchased skincare product of all time. Not to mention that the foundations I started using when I was maybe 28, I think is when the concealer foundation, the La Prairie foundation came out. The cushion foundation came a little bit later, I think in maybe 2017. Once it came out, I have not stopped repurchasing that foundation as well. I mean, listen, obviously I'm a big fan of La Prairie. It's one of those brands that it's so supremely unique and so exclusive and so exceptional. They cater to supreme quality, they cater to elegance, they cater to people that are looking for elegance. This is not a regular skincare brand. Although recently they've been kind of innovating a lot. They've been coming out with a lot of anti-aging serums, and I'm happy because 25 years ago when I started using this, they didn't have the platinum line. This is the first line ever created. Now they have 4 different lines. They have the blue line, they have the white caviar line, which is for brightening. They have the gold line, which has caviar and gold, and then the platinum line is actually the last one that was created. And now we have body, and I suspect that this is probably going to be the beginning of the series of body products, and I would be so ecstatic if that is the case. So there you go. I mean, this is one body routine, easy, you don't need anything else, and it's a complete anti-aging body routine. Both of these products are perfection. This cream, I don't know if you saw the excitement on my face, and once again, I'm not a person who gets overly excited over products because I've been testing thousands of them. This product is so special. So special, so elegant, so beautiful, so sophisticated. I did not expect less, yet this surprised me. Yeah, this is the best body cream on the planet right now. I will go on a fast for a week or so I can buy this product. It's so good. It's that good. I will sacrifice myself. My body will be no longer treated as a temple. I'll be a starving woman at 50, saving money to buy this product. Now, as I mentioned, it's not actually that expensive. I thought that this will be, I mean, like the newest skincare product by La Prairie is called the Matrix. It's over $2,000 for that face cream. That's excessive. I have to say, I don't know what it would do to my face, and yes, I promise I will try it and I'll report back. I'll make a video. It would need to be a series of videos to talk about a 2,000, I think it's 2,100 actually plus taxes. It would be more like $2,500 for a face cream. This is obviously cheap next to that product, and I think it's that good. I think it's worth every penny. Don't laugh at me when I say this. I think it's underpriced compared to what other La Prairie products cost and what this is as far as packaging, because it comes in this package obviously, and the way that it feels. Oh my god, I mean it changed the side of my, yeah. Wow, this is definitely a product that is worth it. Totally. It replaces your whole body routine. All the little products, $50 here, $100 there. This is your whole body routine right here. It will transform your skin. I know that for a fact because, once again, I've been using La Prairie for 25 years and I know what the La Prairie product does. Every one of their products is crafted so meticulously, and it always changes something. It always does something. Not to mention that the user experience is better than with any other product. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.